Here we go.
Oh, look, I haven't been talking way too loud lately anyway since I've been sitting. How much fluff. Oh my gosh, my hand paws are huge.
Beans.
They're so soft.
Dubby.
So weird to put on things that actually fit.
Big old claws.
Huge paws. Knock somebody out with these. That's what Knocky said.
Let's see.
Got 11 people.
The other paw.
Got Robin, got Wiki,
I'm about to do the two
got
fingers in one.
Nocti,
Yeah, everyone's in the chat.
Breeze.
There are 13 people.
Okay, it's a lot bigger than I expected.
Give it a squeak. It's at the tip. It lives.
Squeak.
Squeaky
Just a
squeak.
little hole in the...
Oh, I'll fix it.
Okay. Tail. Arms. Okay, the elastic is black. It's white on my other arms. So much black. Oh my gosh, my feet are huge. Big footy stompers. Big old bappers. Big claws.
We're gonna have to get you put everything on before we leave, of course.
Well, yeah. Promo pictures and stuff. Big old bapper number 2. They're not going to be super overheating since there's Crocs hidden on the inside. Yes, these are fluffy, glorified Crocs to anyone that's watching. Let's move on to the big part.
I get it.
She's perfect!
Ah!
The lighting on your phone makes her hair look white, but it's so bright and vibrant in person. I love it.
Good.
She's perfect. Fluff all over her face.
Fluff.
So great.
What are you gonna put on first?
Well,
Put the head on.
yeah, it's green.
Now you got the purple and green one.
Yep, I have the purple and the green. Spray.
You are a chiropractor.
Brush. Same brush like we already got. A ton of business cards.
Oh,
Once you know that I will go out everywhere. Yay. Calla calla.
Still be one of those.
alright. Put it on. Put it on. Put it on. Put it on.
Put it on.
Yes.
Sorry, I'm trying not to stab my badges.
Nocti asked what flavor is the spray.
Peaceful flavor. There's no flavor
Peaceful.
listed.
Like, yeah, like that.
Oh, okay.
You won't want that over your mouth when you got the head on, trust me.
Okay, so like nowhere.
Yes, Ace is there.
Yes. Just kind of tuck the wires in the little holder thing.
Oh, that's Rue. Oh.
Wow, so what just called you a
Oh,
nerd?
did Rue actually join?
Yeah,
Yep, Rusin.
he's a nerd though. So.
Did you say the nerd bird?
Nerdy bird.
Nerdy
no,
bird.
chicken. He's a chicken.
Ooh.
There we go.
Oh, there we go.
Aww.
Yay!
So pretty. There we go. She wasn't sitting right.
Yay!
Woo!